And here we go. Oh, you get on camera?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, get me a rag, please.
It's all. You okay?
Yeah, good thing I had sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
There's your lunch. You got any more water?
I think I'm okay. Now the only issue is the thing that goes down in there disappeared. Jeez.
You get a mouthful of that? Or?
Yeah, I got a mouthful of it. Fool. There it is, right there.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, there's that. Now where's the spring?
Hold up. Wait a minute. We just figured out what just happened.
I'm going to go take a shower.